Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus Revo Intense. So let's get started. So this is the Nexus Revo Intense itself. Now this is a prostate vibrator, so it's perfect for stimulation for him. It's designed to literally lock into the masculine form and directly stimulate the prostate and perineum simultaneously. This Revo is the most intense ever. It features 2-speed bi-rotational shaft and gently but surely massages the prostate as the 6-function perineum massager vibrates to give you simultaneous stimulation. You can control both independently using the buttons at the bottom of the base just here. The wavy lines are for vibrations and the 2 arrows are for the rotations. There's some stimulating ridges at the base, and it's also made of a body-safe silicone, meaning it's hypoallergenic and non-porous, and it's also very comfortable. The Revo Intense is also waterproof, so you can take this in the bath or shower for extra fun as well. To turn on, push once and a green light will come up. This indicates the toy is now on. Press once for the vibrations and they're already on. To change to the other vibration settings, click on that same button. For the rotations, click on that top button and the rotations already begin. Once you go to the 3rd and 4th setting, it changes its rotation, and likewise. To turn off, push and hold down on that bottom button again for a few seconds and it's now off. The recharging point is located just here as well, using your magnetic USB charging cable provided. Because it's magnetic, just attach the 2 dots together like so, and it will charge for you. Also included is a Nexus Revo Intense user manual to help you with your experience, and a luxury toy bag, so it's perfect to travel around with as well. When using the Nexus Revo Intense, we would highly recommend to use a water-based lubricant for optimal comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Nexus Revo Intense Prostate Vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.